I am Debasis Basu from Meta Care Clinic, Kolkata. A person who is coughing, dry or wet, doesn't matter. The key for the treatment is hydration. Adequate hydration helps soothe and protect the airways and therefore promote a good amount of airway mucus clearance. Additionally, herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, they also do the same, give relief and protect the irritated airways. Herbal cough syrups and lozenges are generally considered safe options, and they can also be considered as good natural alternative to the conventional medicines that we commonly write. These remedies often contain ingredients like honey and licorice, known for their soothing and expectorant properties. To avoid confusion about which medicine to choose, straight away you can opt for the syrup that addresses these dry and wet cough issues. These multi-symptom relieving, or what we can call as an all-rounder cough syrup, helps to provide relief from both wet cough and dry cough. Therefore, opt for cough syrups and lozenges that contain the following herbs as ingredients. Clove, long, lavanga is effective in treating cough and upper respiratory disorders due to its antimicrobial and pain relieving property, which helps relieve cough and associated throat pain. It is one of the most conventionally old and effective treatment that is available for sore throat. Licorice, Glycyrrhiza glabra, or Joshni Madhu that we commonly call, it has immunomodulatory, expectorant and antitussive properties that offers relief from cough and sore throat. Thrikatu, a blend of long pepper, black pepper and ginger that relieves chest congestion by reducing the mucus buildup. It acts as a natural antimicrobial fighting against the germs that cause respiratory infections, and therefore does wonders when you are just about feeling under the weather. Tulsi or basil, holy basil, it contains a very strong antihistaminic property and therefore offers good protection against pollen-induced bronchospasm. It is effective in easing the symptoms like congestion and cough, thereby helping to release or dilate the airways and promote easier breathing while dealing with allergies and other respiratory issues like bronchitis. These non-drowsy cough relief formulas are therefore designed to provide symptom relief without causing drowsiness, thereby allowing the individuals to carry on with their daily routine activities completely uninterrupted. These formulations often incorporate an ingredient called honey, which is a World Health Organization recommended natural remedy for cough relief. Honey has high anti-inflammatory properties that helps to soothe respiratory tract infections and thereby giving relief from cough. Due to its antioxidant property, honey is helpful in alleviating different allergic respiratory symptoms. Additionally, honey's antimicrobial properties aid in fighting off infections that may be causing the cough. Select cough syrups that have minimum 25% honey as one of its constituents.